I almost called you last night, then I put the phone back down. Some words get heavy when nobody's around. Things we never said still sitting in the room. I love you, I'm sorry, I needed you. Things we never said at the table by the door. We kept them in our pockets till they didn't fit no more. Things we never said, they don't disappear. They wait inside the silence till the heart can hear. My father never said much, but he waited up late, left the porch light burning when I came home after 8. I acted like I didn't see the worry on his face. Now I understand love can be quiet in its place. My mother kept my drawings in a box under her bed. I laughed when she showed me, but I cried when I left. I should have said thank you for the years she gave. Some flowers come too late when you bring them to a grave. So call before the number turns into a name. Say it while the voice still answers the same. Don't wait for the moment to break in your hand. Some hearts need words more than we understand. Things we never said still sitting in a room. I love you, I'm sorry, I needed you. Things we never said at the table by the door. We kept them in our pockets till they didn't fit no more. Things we never said, they don't disappear. They wait inside the silence till the heart can't hear. I had a friend from way back. We don't speak these days. No fight, no big reason, just life in different ways. He sent me one last message, I replied too late. Sometimes being busy is just another kind of shame. And there was someone I loved more than I could show. I kept my pride clean, but I let that person grow. I never said stay, I never said don't leave. Now every honest song sounds a little like grief. If you miss somebody, tell them while you can. If you were wrong to say it like a man. No crown in the world is worth an empty chair. No pride ever held you when you needed someone there. Things we never said still sitting in the room. I love you, I'm sorry, I needed you. Things we never said at the table by the door. We kept them in our pockets till they didn't fit no more. Things we never said, they don't disappear. They wait inside the silence till their heart can hear. To the ones I hurt, I hope you found some peace. To the ones I lost, you still walk with me. To the child I was, I forgive you too. You were only trying to make it through. If tomorrow tomorrow comes, I'll use it better. I'll say the small words, I'll write the letter. I'll hold the hand, I'll make the call before silence takes it all. Ooh, things we never said, still sitting in the room. I love you, I'm sorry, I needed you. Things we never said at the table by the door. We kept them in our pockets till they didn't fit no more. Things we never said, they don't disappear. They wait inside the silence till the heart can hear.